Welcome to Ambitious Academy. In today's video, we're going to see who got our 10,000 Rand vest prize and stay until the end to find out how you could be a vest winner. Our top two vest students were Nathan and Rainier. Instead of battling it out, they came to an agreement to rather split the prize money, leaving each with 5,000 Rand. Next up, we'll see what they have to say.
Hi, everyone. Thanks to Vest and the judges for selecting my video as one of the winning videos.
Today I'm answering questions the Vest team sent me.
With my part of the prize money, I
Probably gonna fix my car because I had a fender bender the week before I went to SA to go and attend the course.
plan to share a bit with it with the lead actor of mine, just for appreciation for him being part of the video. The balance, I would like to probably buy some props, which will assist me making my videos a bit better. Would I recommend this course to others? Yes, most definitely.
Yes, I would, especially to people who are interested in business and marketing. I would definitely recommend the course to them.
It's practical, it's inspiring, and it gave me the confidence to start creating videos for my own business. Would I ever return to Vest as a guest speaker?
That's a tough one. I'm not the guest speaker type. I wouldn't mind. It's just very far for me to travel just to be a guest speaker.
Yes, I would love to. Once I've gained more experience and have something valuable to share, I'd be honored to come back and share that with you.
Why did you join Vest? I joined it because I have a business of my own and I wanted to know a bit more about marketing, to market my business obviously online.
I joined because I wanted to learn videography, to create more professional content for service-based business. We are planning to expand into retail, and I needed the skills to showcase our products in an engaging way. What was my favorite part about making my video? I really enjoyed meeting and working with the other students.
Using the skills I learned over the 10 days that I was at the course, and just showcasing what I learned.
The most memorable part was receiving Cameron's feedback on my video and his advice on inserting a few nuances just to enhance the depth of the video, such as the train noise as the train passed by on the platform.
You can find my business on Instagram and Facebook, though, GPC Projects on Instagram and Facebook.
People can find me and my business. We are based in Kailami, Midrand, Gauteng. Our business is called Baby Time 4D Ultrasound Studio. We offer 4D ultrasound scans, as well as a little retail section. Where can people go to join the next Vest course? Well, you can find them at
ambitiousacademy.co.za, so go and have a look at what courses they have.
They're based in Sunny Rock, Germiston, Gauteng. Thank you, and once again, thanks to Vest and the judges for choosing my video as one of the winning videos.
Now, let's look at the videos our winners created.
If you can stay calm when others panic and blame you, trust yourself even when they doubt you. Be patient without giving up, and stay honest when lied about, kind when hated, and humble when praised. If you can dream but not be controlled by dreams, think clearly without overthinking. Face success and failure without letting either break you, and rebuild what's broken without complaining. If you can take a big risk, lose it all, and start again without whining. Push through when you're tired and only your willpower keeps you going. If you can mix with all people, high and low, stay true to yourself and not anyone hurt you too deeply. If you value everyone but don't depend on anyone too much, and make the most of every minute, then the world is yours. And more than that, you'll be a truly strong and wise person.
Felt the pressure of the outside. Introducing Hugo Boss, because ordinary was never your scent.
Do you have what it takes to become a Vest winner? Join us at vest.co.za and start creating scroll-stopping shorts.